Hey, what is up, Mr. Jason here. So as we had the Ethereum merge be a bit of a dud, a lot more volatility than many people had expected, we're not seeing that same type of performance with Ethereum Classic, where we have Ethereum Classic still really trying to break through the same Fibonacci level that it was trying to really overtake during the Ethereum merge. It's actually still at a level that is higher than it was on the day that the CPI data came out. So with this being said, and seeing how this B wave is still down here, and we have potential still to go back and try to regain a lot of this losses that we had, there's that potential of us still being able to hit, for sure, possibly our neutral price prediction, but even that bullish price prediction that we have. Seeing the price of Ethereum Classic going to $45 or even more. So let's talk a little bit about this and some news that's out there, because, well, the hash rate for Ethereum Classic is really gone up a lot. So as we get into this, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash, destroy, annihilate, or gently press that like button. It helps me a lot with the YouTube algorithm. Helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Let's get to it. Now, from the time that I'm making this right now, the price of Ethereum Classic is down about 9.5%, but keep in mind that there was a little bit of price pumping at this time on the previous day. Now, all in all, though, over the last 7 days, Ethereum Classic is only down about 4%. Now, leading into the merge, Ethereum Classic's hash rate surges to over 200 terahashes per second. And this is their new all-time high for their hash rate. So we did see a pretty massive increase in the hash rate, about 250% increase over a 24-hour period. Now, no surprise there, though, because, well, Ethereum Classic is remaining proof of work, and, well, those miners need to go somewhere, and why not still go within the whole Ethereum family and go with Ethereum Classic, which, in my opinion, is the best part about Ethereum Classic, is that they have that going for them. So as far as how things are going with the price of Ethereum Classic right now, there's this possibility that this current candlestick could fall lower, of course, and then we will have to change things as far as the technicals go. But right now, we're still managing to see the price have potential here, have potential of it continue rising. So since it has not fallen below this B wave, let's play out a bullish scenario of seeing where things could still be going here. And in this case, what we could be seeing is we could be seeing our wave 1, our wave 2, and then our wave 3, if this was to rise up here and then connect at this top Fibonacci level, have a little bit of pullback, and then if we actually were to take this up all the way up into the more bullish price prediction and see that reach a price of around $46, $47, if that was the case, then it would play out somewhere like this within this type of pattern, and that would be an ideal situation if that was to happen. Now, there's also this bearish possibility. So as we have this correction here, what if this was also this type of pattern here, where we had the WXY scenario, and then our Y wave would be that one that would fall down to, say, even below this fifth wave, and just go right to that 50% Fibonacci level, just like what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum is also has just recently touched that 50% Fibonacci level as well. So there's that possibility of falling a little bit below that fifth wave there, and this scenario playing out like this, where this whole thing right here, we can just consider this all a single correction, and instead from the Y wave, then at that time, then we can see the impulse working out differently. We can see 5 waves down, 5 waves up. Who knows how that's going to play out, but there's that possibility as well. So if this whole piece here, if you want to just say this is all just part of a correction, this is how everything is playing out. So this could still go down more and go right to this 50% Fibonacci level, right to that price at around $29 as a possibility, or even lower than that. We can't really predict what's going to happen, but these are two different scenarios. That's a bullish scenario, and that's a bearish scenario. I mean, also there's that potential of trading sideways, but the most likely scenario, I would say, is either going to be something that is going to take us down to this 50% Fibonacci level. So I'd say if we fall to $32, then there's that possibility that we're going to more than likely fall to where the Y wave is. That would be that scenario. And then once we reach the Y wave, then we will see either a correction to the upside or go into a 5 downwards impulse. That's a possibility. Or what we could see is from where we're at right now, we can just go ahead and reattempt trying to break through the price of $38. And if that's the case, then I don't see this Y wave scenario even playing out. I think that we would see just a retracement and going for that bullish price prediction. I think that's that scenario. So if we fall to 32, I'd say good chance of us going to the 50% Fibonacci level. A good chance of us going down to around $29. If we don't fall to 32, then and go to break through that $38 price, then from there, I'd say we have a good chance of rising up to that $45 price. That's the scenario I think is possible. So I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about that. So with that being said, please like, share, comment, subscribe. New content coming out all the time. I'll see you all in the next one coming very soon.